Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me give you an update on Euro USD. What is currently happening on Euro USD? We are expecting a major move on the Euro USD. So let me take you straight to the chart and explain why we are expecting this major move. So stick to the end of the video. So let's go straight to the chart. Euro USD on my daily chart have this sideways structure. We can see we have been on a sideways trend for months now on the Euro USD, which is we have this price on this sideways trend. So long price is currently on this sideways trend. We need a breakout for a major move to the upside or to the downside. So long price remain on this sideways trend, don't expect a big move, but we are expecting something serious about to happen on Euro USD. So stick with me. Let me break down what will lead to the big move. It's either the upside or the downside on the Euro USD. So on my chart now, we can clearly see that our previous trend on the Euro USD, we have this lower low, then we have this higher low and higher low. You can see that price break out of this level, this lower high, indicates a reversal of trend back to the top. So having this structure, this is a sign of a bullish momentum for an inner structure for the Euro USD. But currently now, there's a shift in trend on the Euro USD on the daily time frame. We can see we have this shift in trend of price creating the higher high, then a lower high and a lower high. So this is a sign of shift in trend for downtrend momentum building up for strong selling opportunity on the Euro USD. But we can't just take this trade because we have a shift in trend from the daily chart for downtrend. No, we need to also confirm the levels price is also coming from the daily time frame. So let me break down the level price is reacting from the daily time frame before we confirm it from the higher time frame. So on my daily time frame, you can clearly see that price is currently reacting to this level. This is a strong resistance level and price is still unable to break this resistance level. So long as price still remain below this resistance level, we expect more of the bearish trend for the Euro USD. So what we expect next on the Euro USD, we need price to break below this level. So long price rejected from this area, we need price below this level, then we expect a retest for the major drop for price to this next support level on the Euro USD. So you can clearly see that price is currently approaching this our second strong level, which indicates which push price to this next resistance. So we expect price to drop from that area. You can see that price failed already from the first level. So the next level now, we need price to break below this area before we can start looking for our strong selling opportunity for the Euro USD to the downside. So we can't just take this trade now. We need a confirmation to be sure if the higher time frame truly supports price going down on Euro USD to the downside. So let's look at the higher time frame, which is our weekly time frame. So on my weekly time frame, we can clearly see that Euro USD price still fail. You can see that price still fail to close above this resistance area and this resistance level. So long price still remains stuck on these levels, we are still expecting price to move to this next support level on the Euro USD. This is a sign of price reversal. So long price still stuck on this resistance level, we expect price to drop to this next support level on the weekly time frame on the Euro USD. So long the weekly is already pointing out price reversal to the next weekly support on Euro USD. This shows that the weekly and the daily are aligned together for us to start looking for possible selling opportunity on the Euro USD. So let's look at the trend of the weekly time frame on the Euro USD, we can clearly see that on my weekly time frame, we can see we still have price. We still have price creating this sideways trend on Euro USD, which is we still have price on this range. So long we have price on this range, this is an indication of a sideways trend. But we need a major move on the Euro USD. A major move that can trigger big move on Euro USD. So I'm currently seeing that big move coming. I'm expecting price to drop massively on the Euro USD. So if you want to learn how to identify, to see the big move before it happens, you can beep my DM by getting my one-on-one mentorship, the link also in description below. So let's continue to analysis. The big move we are expecting is this. So long price close below this higher low, this is a sign of a shift of trend for the Euro USD on the weekly time frame. So long we have this shift of trend on the weekly time frame on Euro USD, we expect price to drop massively on the Euro USD. But we need one move to do this big move. We need price to break below this area, then we expect a retest, then we can see the big move for the Euro USD to the downside. But our first target for the retracement on Euro USD, we are expecting price to drop to this level this coming week. So we can clearly see that the weekly time frame has break down what we are expecting from the Euro USD now. So what we do next? Let's go back to our daily time frame. So on my daily time frame, we need a confirmation of price for us to sell the Euro USD. We need that confirmation for us to sell this Euro USD to the downside. The daily chart is already giving us the downtrend formation for us to sell, but we can't just take this trade because we see a downtrend structure for us to sell. We need a proper confirmation for high probability trade setup, for high accuracy trade setup. So we need that confirmation. If you don't know how to get that confirmation, you can also book my one-on-one mentorship, the link in description below, or you can get my video courses, the link also in description below. So we need the Euro USD to break out of this strong level, then we wait for a test, then we can start looking for the strong sell for the Euro USD to the downside. So we can't just take any trade for now. We need that clear direction for price to break below these areas before making that proper decision on the Euro USD. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and forex analysis. So see you in my next video. You can also watch my previous analysis at the top, where I break down the current move happening now on the DSY, the pounds USD, US30, and gold. So don't miss that. Go and watch that now. So see you in my next video.